Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create sales reports using the Sales Analytics tool in Hubspot so you can track performance and gain valuable insights into your sales data. To get started, head over to Reports, then click on Sales Analytics. If you don't see it right away, it may also appear under the Sales section. Clicking on Sales Analytics will take you to the upgraded interface. You may notice that Sales Analytics is available with Sales Hub Professional, or if you're currently using Service Hub Professional, you can start a 14-day free trial to access it if needed. Once inside, you'll have access to a wide range of sales insights. You can select or create different report types such as deals closed, sales activities, or revenue performance. From there, build a custom report based on your needs. You can apply filters for date ranges, owners, and pipelines to refine your data. Customize your report further by choosing the metrics to display, selecting chart types, and adjusting properties to match your preferences. When you're done, save the report and add it to your dashboard, or export it for sharing. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you out. If you haven't signed up for Hubspot yet, be sure to use the affiliate links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.